Okay, so now I have my dish of sodium bicarbonate. This is for activity 2. And I also have a little medicine cup of 1 molar hydrochloric acid. So what I'm going to do is take my dropper and just start dropping a small amount of the hydrochloric acid into the sodium bicarbonate. Hopefully you can hear that. That is gas production. We know that because of the sound and also because of the bubbles that are produced. So I'm going to keep doing this until I don't get any more gas production. Now, if we were doing this in the lab, you would do this drop by drop, but I've already experimented with this. I know it takes quite a bit. So I'm going to flood it here at first, and then I'll slow it down in just a minute. So I've still got gas production here. There's a little bit of unreacted sodium bicarbonate. Notice that my gas production is starting to slow down. I do still have a few bubbles forming, so I'm going to go ahead and let that finish reacting there, and then I'll add a little bit more hydrochloric acid. Still a few bubbles. Still got a little bit of unreacted sodium bicarbonate or baking soda over here. I'm going to try to get that reacted. A little bit more. My gas production is definitely slowing down. My bubbles are not as big as they were. It's definitely not making as much noise as it was at the beginning. Little bit more here. Got a few little spots. Still producing a little bit of bubbling. I've got this one little spot right over here. Let's see if I can get that to stop reacting. Barely producing any bubbles. Notice I'm now just doing drop by drop till I can get that last little bit to react. Still a few bubbles. Okay. Make sure I've got it all. No new bubbles forming. Alright, so I have reacted all of the sodium bicarbonate that was in here. And once I get a few of these little gas bubbles out of here, I'm going to transfer this dish over to my flame like I did for the activities in part 1.